In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive and LinkedIn with Surfe. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and easy to follow. So let's dive right in. To begin with, head over to the Surfe website. You might be wondering why Surfe is central to this process. Well, Surfe acts as a bridge, making it easy to integrate Pipedrive and LinkedIn seamlessly. Once you've landed on the Surfe homepage, you'll notice the Get Started or Start for Free button. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the account creation page. Now, creating an account is straightforward. You'll be required to fill in some basic details. This is an essential step, as having an account allows you to access all the awesome features Surfe offers. Once you have your account set up and you see that confirmation message, you're set to proceed. With your new account ready, it's time to add Surfe to Chrome. Locate the Add Surfe to Chrome button and give it a click. Doing this installs the necessary extension on your browser, which is a crucial step for the integration to work flawlessly. A small tip here, make sure you're using Google Chrome, as Surfe might be designed primarily for compatibility with this browser. After installing the extension, you'll see a prompt to select your CRM, which in our case is Pipedrive. This selection will align Surfe with your Pipedrive account, setting the stage for the integration with LinkedIn. Click on Pipedrive CRM and you're halfway there. Next, you'll need to set up your email within Surfe. This step ensures that all communications through Pipedrive are synchronized with your email address. Surfe will guide you with on-screen prompts, so follow those carefully. This setup is essential as it ensures smooth and reliable communication streams between your platforms. Once you've set up your email, you'll need to click Continue to the app. By doing this, Surfe will begin the integration process, which involves redirecting you to LinkedIn. This redirection is a prompt for you to connect your LinkedIn profile with this integration setup, allowing Surfe to access the necessary data for synchronization. That's it! Through these simple steps, you now have Surfe integrated with your Pipedrive and LinkedIn accounts, enhancing your efficiency in managing contacts and streamlining your professional interactions. Thank you for following along, and I hope this integration empowers you in your work.